Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're doing a fun activity for kids. We're making Easter bird's nest using candies like Peeps and candied eggs. These are so easy to put together with just a few simple ingredients, and they're so fun and kids can be as creative as they want. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. The ingredients for the Easter bird's nest are chow mein noodles, almond bark, Peeps, and some kind of candy. I'm using M&M peanut butter eggs candy. You could also use jelly beans or any other Easter themed candy. Okay, we're going to start off by melting our almond bark. We'll put a big block. It's a 20-ounce block of almond bark. You could also use candy melts. We're going to melt this in the microwave in 30-second spurts until it's nice and smooth. Okay, we have our almond bark all nice and melted. Pretty big bowl here. And I have chow mein noodles. Now you may be familiar with a candy called Haystacks, and that's kind of what this is. But I believe Haystacks uses chocolate and butterscotch chips. I'm not going to use the whole thing just yet until I see how far this almond bark will go. And it looks like it'll go pretty far. So this is a 12-ounce package of chow mein noodles. Pretty sure I can just use the whole thing and just stir that in. So you kind of have like a little bit of a sweet and salty taste going on with these two flavors. And the chow mein noodles mimic kind of what a bird's nest would look like. So just make sure and get all of that nice and coated. As it cools, it'll hold that little nest together. Okay, once you have it coated, you just want to spoon it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. And you want to shape it as best you can into like a little nest, because you're going to be putting some candy in the middle there. I'm just going to try to build up the sides a little bit where it's roughly looking like a nest. Trying to figure out the best method here of creating like a little hole in the middle. So just make them however big you like. And these are nests, so they don't need to be perfect. You can do a little reshaping before the almond bark hardens. And what's so cute about this, you can put the little candy eggs in the little hole there and set a Peep on top, a little Peep chicken, and then it looks like a true little Easter bird's nest. It's almost like you want to make it kind of in a little donut shape if you can, with a hole in the middle, but you still want a bottom to the holes so it all sticks together. Okay, now the really fun part is we get to fill the nests. And you can vary the candy whatever you like. Jelly beans would be really cute in here. And this is why it's good if you can manage to make kind of a little crater in there to hold your eggs. And this is already hardening up, but if it's not hardening up quick enough, you can always put them in the refrigerator or freezer, and that'll do the trick. Aren't those the cutest? And the kids can pick the candy and the colors that they like. All right, and now each one gets a Peep. And you can buy Peeps now in so many different colors and flavors. And if you don't like Peeps, you can just leave them off. These are cute even without the Peeps. But there we go. So you've got nests, the little egg candies, and the Peeps right on top. Thanks for joining me today as we made Easter Peep nests. These are a wonderful, fun project for kids. And then you can eat your project. I hope you have fun this Easter spending time with family and friends. And now you have a project for the kids. We'll see you next time.